This is Steve Worrell with an Outdoors First gear tip. Today we're going to show you how to change the handle from right hand to left hand and back from left hand to right hand on a SeaKnight Rapid 3000. This is a high performance spinning reel, high speed spinning reel. It's all metal, very well built, 6.2 to 1 retrieve. I've got it strapped to a Vexen inshore medium heavy rod, and this is my creature stick. As you can see, I've got one of my original flip-tail creatures on here with one of my dad's original 1-ounce lead heads. Great musky bait, and it puts a lot of big walleyes and bass in the boat too, even that big heavy jig head. Alright, to get to how to change the handle around, it's really very simple. On the opposite side of the reel, turn the handle nut. It's a round screw-in piece until that comes out. Okay, that's it. Once you have the handle nut removed, there is a small washer on the inside of the reel that shields the gearing from dust, dirt, and other material. You need to take that out. There it is. Place that on the other side of the reel. It'll just compress right in there. Okay, it's in there, like so. Place the handle back through. That has a shield on it as well to shield the reel from dirt and debris. Take the handle nut, thread it in there. And tighten it down until the handle itself is solid. And tighten it, don't over tighten it, until it's solid and it doesn't flex at all or move. To change it back, all you need to do again is take this nut out, to change it back, once again from right hand back over to left hand, take this fastener out, remove that dust washer, take out the handle, put that dust washer back in over that gearing cover, install the handle, thread this handle fastener back in, nice and tight. We switched over to left hand, which is how I operate my reels. So that's how to change the handle on a SeaKnight Rapid 3000 and many other spinning reels on the market today. Most will not have that dust and debris cover. This is a feature that's specific to this reel.